Well, you guys won't believe where I'm back. Back at Fred's house. Because Mini Cooper's now fixed. Yeah. I guess we get to work on it some more. Well, anyways, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you guys are watching. Thank you for joining me. And my fun days of working on Fred's Mini. Well, it's running, everything's pretty much fine, but there's some smoke, there's some stink. We just gotta figure out what it is. So yeah, I showed back up because I got all the random stuff to do this. So I got the ramps, the stands, a piece of wood, and the jack. So yeah, I'm going to, well, at least we're gonna just try to figure out what's going on. I don't think it's anything serious. Honestly, it's probably just a drip or a leak. But the fact that I'm back here again, it's not a surprise. It's Mini. I'm sure they're great, but not today. So yeah, I guess you guys are gonna see us wrenching on it a little more. It shouldn't be anything serious. Like, we're not gonna take completely apart. We're just trying to figure out where all the problems are. So I got a new haircut though. Looks nice. That happened literally today, this morning. He's inside taking a poop. I don't know how long it's gonna be, so I'm probably just gonna go inside and hang out. And in the meantime, this is gonna stand out here. I'm gonna go inside.
Oh, I'm not seeing, I know you were just looking at the same spot. I'm not seeing anything fresh from the shit we did.
Alright, so we got the car in the air again, because everything we need to see is under it. Right, Fred?
Yes, sir.
And Fred's here helping us again.
I think I set my phone on top by the speaker. Can you give that to me, please?
Phone, speaker.
Is it up there?
Phone, hand.
Thank you.
E.T. home phone.
Yeah.
Fred decided to start his own YouTube channel.
I've had mine.
It's called Dumb Moments with Fred.
I've had mine longer than yours, and I got more subscribers. So
You do, you're right. I don't disagree.
Why couldn't this be like a 1842 like Duesenberg or some shit where you have
Really, you want to work on something that old?
like 40 feet? You can literally just step in the engine, and you're like, okay, cool. I can see the little scratches or something, you know?
Yeah, with no safety measures.
Fuck it.
Because
Hey, man.
OSHA.
Fuck it.
All right, I think we actually figured it out. After crawling underneath the car, looking under the car, looking around the car, we established that it's not under the car.
Yup, everything's looking clean.
That it looks like it's from his fancy schmancy.
My eBay special, thank you. It's not fancy schmancy.
It's fancy schmancy. It's metal.
Yup, it's metal.
It's upgraded plastic.
Yup. Maybe it's just not
We
all
figured it
tight.
out.
Yup. Maybe we didn't even tighten it. Wouldn't that be great?
You put it together. You put it together.
Did I? I thought you did.
Nope. I helped you install it, sir.
I don't even feel like a tail. I don't even think this is tightened. That's what it was, yeah.
Well,
I'm not feeling the tail.
well, looks like we figured out more information.
Yeah.
We had no idea what we were doing. We're not authorized to work on vehicles, we just make it up.
No.
Fred, you certified?
Fuck no.
I'm certified.
Still drive the forklift. Not really. Alright.
Our jobs would never let us do anything like this.
Nope.
Our old jobs,
Oh, yeah.
we'd be given some shady stuff to play with and be like, here you go, you know how to do it.
You know how to drive a little tractor, right? Yeah.
Do you remember when we got that giant forklift?
Yeah. Oh, you
The
mean
four-wheel drive, like, boom?
Oh no, I don't remember that one. I remember this was after you left. He got, and I'll avoid names because we do like the guy. He got a giant diesel-powered, like 8-man scissor lift. Like this thing was a square. It wasn't your normal.
Oh, yeah,
rectangle.
yeah, yeah.
It was a square.
With the wheels that go...
Oh, they were huge, dude. The wheels were like this freaking big on it. Oh, there's. Oh, that thing was awesome.
Ah, good
It's like,
time.
you know how to drive this, right? I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, we're all qualified.
Yeah, sure.
We're 100% qualified
Sure.
not to do this.
How long is it gonna? It might be a 20-second fix. We don't know.
Well, we were about to look at it like it was going to be like a 20-hour fix.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I'm ready for that too.
No, you're not. You don't want to work on this thing that hard.
I really don't. I'm kind of done. To be honest, I just want to drive.
You don't drive at all.
I got nothing. Actually, I've been playing Pokemon lately, so you're kind of right.
See? There you go. I told you you don't drive.
I saw a cool TikTok or Vine or whatever of people doing like all the dances we used to do in high school.
Oh yeah, you've been sending me those.
Oh, have I?
Yeah. He's like, I send so much stuff to everybody.
Send a lot of stuff to everybody.
Do you even know what you're doing?
No.
I figured.
Oh, that was grody, dude. You ready?
I guess so.
Watch. Jeez. Oh, what the fuck is this, dude? I don't know. You smell it. What do you think? You think it smells like gas?
Smell it. Oh,
Like
jeez.
old varnish?
Could be.
I think-
It smells like grease, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dude, I was thinking about you the other night. I was talking to my friend about Legos. I was like, you know who likes Legos? My boy Vlad. Oh,
And he's like, who is that? I don't know who that is.
she was like, who the fuck is that? Wiener
It's
man.
like that's nobody important. Don't worry about it.
He doesn't come around the field too often anymore, so you haven't met him.
I don't see anything leaking. But then again, who knows? This might just explode. Right, Fred? But I don't see anything wet back there. I don't see any smoke, so. But this thing's not even at temperature yet, so we're still gonna wait around. He's sitting in the car, doing nothing. Making sure this thing doesn't crackle or rattle. We even at temp yet?
Oh, we are halfway.
Oh god, we're gonna be
Here, I got you.
gonna be a long way
Actually,
to go.
that was the wrong button. I forgot it does that.
He's like, I am moving
How
stuff.
do I turn it off? Oh,
No,
did I do
just
that?
no, down one.
I did down one.
There
It's
you
still
go.
going.
Well, it'll stop.
Oh,
See?
there it goes. Finally. I never fuck with that. I didn't even know.
You
I
don't
had
even know what
Yeah.
your car does.
that. No.
This man doesn't even know what his things do.
Nope.
He's like, here, let me turn the lights on while I work this windshield wiper back here. What?
I run it and it works.
Oh, man. Alright, so, guess what? We fixed it! Well,
Yes, it's fine.
we're almost positive it fixed, but
Yeah.
there's no smoke.
No smells.
Fred is the snows guy, so he knows
Yeah.
if it smells weird.
Yeah, this fool can't smell anything. It smells fine. It smells like warm engine. Ignore the rattling. I do need a master slave cylinder for my clutch.
That's okay. It works.
Yeah,
As long as it works.
and that's just a pain in the butt to get to because you gotta take the wheel off. But
It's not that bad. He's making it.
no, you do have to take the wheel off.
Well, okay. Take the wheel off, then what? Take the whole suspension out too?
I don't know.
Oh, but you just don't take the wheel
I
off.
watched the video and I was like, wheel off, off too much. And
You gotta drive around to see if it starts smoking randomly. So we gotta go do some two-steps.
well,
Alright, so I guess we're gonna shut this off, drop it on the ground, and go scooch around. Alright, so car's back on the ground. Fred hurt himself. He's retarded. It's okay. But car's back on the ground. Front bumper's back on. So far everything seems fine. At least it seems fine for us. So we're gonna go on a test drive. I don't know where we're going. He's just gonna drive around and do hoodlum stuff. And yeah. And we're gonna come back and double check everything for the 4th or 5th time. Hopefully it's done. We don't know. All right, so, well, we're back, and we're still getting smoke from deep down in here. Hard to say if... Honestly, it's hard to say if it's just residual or something's actually leaking or if something's actually burning. It's hard to tell. You literally can't see anything. Honestly, I'm betting it's on residual, but won't know until after a while. So we're pretty much done for the day, as much as we can be on this thing. Honestly, if it doesn't go away, that means something is definitely leaking. If it does go away, then it was whatever residual was burning off. But the under that car is nasty. You guys probably have seen it. Yeah, so yeah, we're pretty much done with the Mini today. Not much else. I'm gonna get a ride home because I don't have a vehicle. The woman's took my vehicle. Well, it's actually her vehicle, but beside the point, I have no ride home. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed me working on this Mini with Fred and, you know, doing stuff with that. But if you guys liked the video, thumbs up would be appreciated because, you know, helps out. Please, thank you. But if you guys aren't subscribed, consider subscribing. If you want to see more content, hit the doorbell or the bell. Doorbell. If you guys want to be notified if I drop videos that you guys aren't prepared. I don't have a schedule. As soon as videos are done, they get posted. And when they're not done, they don't get posted. So, yeah, that's the schedule. All right, thanks, guys. See you later. Doesn't have a compressor.
I do have a compressor.
It's get over there. He's too lazy to hook it all up, so he decided to use his bicycle pump to pump up his tires to the proper operating procedure.